So hi guys, this is another video, and this one is going to be pretty short. All I'm going to be doing in this video is unboxing the One by Wacom creative pen tablet. This is a nice device for graphic artists, graphic designers, people who like to create art with a pen. And I used to draw a lot before when I was a kid. And gradually, because I do a lot more animations now, I'm gradually getting back into, drawing. And in the last 1 year, I bought a tablet, a Samsung tablet, and I've been using the pen, to do a lot of things. And I just thought, why don't I try this? The reviews are really good. I checked on Amazon, and most of the reviews on Amazon are 5 stars, 4.5 stars. So I decided to give it a go. And so in this video I'll just be unboxing it, just letting you see what it feels like, and maybe a couple of videos later on. I don't have much experience with it at all, so there's not much I can say about it. I'm not going to pretend to be one tech guru here. I'm just going to unbox it for you, and then that'll be the end of the video. So watch, stay tuned. So I see a lot of photographers using, graphic tablets to edit, and honestly, I've been very curious. I know I might sound old school to some photographers who are using it regularly. I just never found it convenient. Somehow there just seemed to be like a misalignment with the pen and what I'm seeing on the screen. But I heard that's a common problem with, when you start using things like this. People swear by it and say that, once they start using it to edit, they wonder why they never started before. So I'm just joining the train now. I bought it mainly because I want to be using it to create illustrations, graphic arts that I can use in my digital animations. But I will also try it for photo editing and see, who knows, maybe it will give me a whole different experience, and I might enjoy photo editing a lot more than I already do. So yeah, this is the One by Wacom graphics tablet. Really cool device, and I hope to be sharing a lot more about my experience using it. So stay tuned, guys.